audio's good first. Test. Alright, audio's good. I've never done leetcode, and I'm gonna keep it real. I don't know what leetcode, how it works. I sort of know. I might have done it before. I can't remember. If so, it's been like 5 years. So we'll just see how this is, and I don't know how this works though on here. So no face cam today. I actually don't have that set up. So we're just gonna keep it as is. And I think we're just gonna start with the hard ones, and what happened there? Hard. And we're gonna see. I don't know why this showed up. What's this mean? Let's do top interview questions. Alright. Except it's 36. Alright, I want a challenge. The issue here is I have trouble comprehending certain things, so we'll see how this goes. Timer. Oh god. Discussions. Okay. Given an array of points where points I equals xi, yi represents a point, return the maximum number of points that lie on the same straight line. Points I. Oh wait, no. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. I'll put 3. Constraints. I is less than points.length, less than 300. Oh, that's 1. Keep thinking of that. Points I length equals 2. Let's change the language to JavaScript. All the points are unique. Well, of course they are, because 1 is not the same as 2. Example 2. So return the maximum number of points that lie on a straight line. So we have to basically do a linear equation, right? So here, yeah, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, that's easy there. But here, so the difference with this, so this one here, this starts with a point on the line. So this is too simplistic, because if you know where you're starting at, then you already know like where the line is gonna be. But this is also, these are just examples and not part of the problem. So so that's why we have to solve for points here, points I. So points contains number x here. So I assume we're gonna have something like let is this how are we doing this? Oh, I see what we're doing. This looks like a recursion problem, because the only way to do linear is recursively, I believe. So it looks like we're going to be recursively calling this. Now, for this one, we know 1, 1, 3, 2, so 3, 2 is here. 5, 3, which is up here. 4, 1, which is over here. 2, 3, which is over here. And then 1, 4. So I'm thinking the way that we could do this might be let me copy this in here let's just do scratch notes real quick. So we have this, so this is a multi-dimensional array, such that each array is a subarray of coordinates. So what it looks like is that we might have to reorder this array in such a way that we know one. So the thing is, for linear, we know for up it's 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm doing. So if it sounds like I know what I'm talking about, you know, I'm just bullshitting, really. I'm just talking to understand my own thoughts. So I'm thinking, because 1, 2, 3, we know we're going up. This one technically is still 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think we can utilize our x coordinate here pretty well. The only difference is our y coordinate. So our y coordinate, this one is easy 1, 2, 3, but this one is 4, 3, 2, 1. So our y coordinate is the difficult part of we don't know. So I'm beginning to think we need to focus more on our y coordinate than our x coordinate, because we need to reorganize this array pretty much such that okay, so we do have a console here. I don't know autocomplete. Can I console.log points? Let me see. Oh wait. Okay, so this is, you can now edit all your test cases in one editor. No, thank you. Run. I thought that's the console, no? Where's the console log? Confused. Okay. Output undefined. Okay, I don't. Do we need to define this, I guess? I'm not exactly sure. I don't want to. Let coordinates equal to this. We're going to be passing this through with coordinates. Then I believe when we console log it, we should get an output. Undefined. Oh, right here. I think. Oh wait, is it because I did this? Does it automatically run once? Oh, okay. Maybe I don't need this. This the... What the fuck? Okay. So yeah, this is our coordinate. So now I assume when I do this, we're gonna get the first index here, and then we're gonna get value 1 here. So we're gonna get 1. Yes, that's correct. So we basically just need to map this out. Now, I don't know if it cares. So what we need to do then is do a loop here and get all our x and y coordinates here. So I'm going to say let x coords equal, and then one array. Let y coords equal another array. If we do points for let x equals 0, x less than points dot length, x plus equal 1, because now this will run 3 times, but we also want to get our coordinates inside, but we already know our coordinates inside are at position 0 and 1, so it doesn't really matter that we have to do another loop, because we can just say then X chords dot push. The only difference here is we have to remember that they're mapped. So whatever changes we make to our X chords array and our Y chords array, we have to do the same changes inside of our other array. So I think that the issue with case 1 is that it's too easy. We gotta do case 2. Because case 1 is too easy because it's setting you up to pretty much do the obvious answer here. Case 2 makes more algorithmic sense in a way that if you sort your X coordinates, you also have to sort your Y coordinates. But I think we gotta do something like this. Points of X of 0. Y chords dot push points of Y of 1. So now if I console log these two, we should have 2 arrays here. Why did it? Okay. Yeah, alright, so 2 arrays here. So our X and Y coordinates are here. So our 1, 3, 2. So if we organize by if we sort our array hold on, I think I see what we have to do here. I think 3, 3, 3, 2. Wait, let me think here. If we get our largest Y coordinate, then I think I am thinking if we get our largest Y coordinate, because based on this, our Y coordinate is 3. This Y coordinate is 4. We, I think, have to go backwards. Because this, then we get our largest X coordinate. Oh no, that's not our largest X coordinate. I don't know. See, this is part of the process. You just gotta think. 1 to 1. You have to sort it in a way. But you have to use some read ahead algorithm. So 1 to 1. But points I dot length points I dot length equals 2. Oh, because we get, okay. All the points are unique, okay. If we get 1 point, then we need to check for the next point. So what's our return? What are we returning actually? Return the maximum number of points that lie on the same straight line. Ooh. So we need to have let max num points equal 0. I believe what we gotta do here is make this a global here, if that allows me. I don't know. Will this work? Okay, it does work. Good. Because it has to be recursive. And I don't think actually this is the correct way to do it, because I think we have to look at both positions. If, for example, because it's a straight line, it's going to be either plus or minus 1 in the other direction. So here is this is going to be plus 1x minus 1y, plus 1x minus 1y. This one is plus 1x plus 1y. So if it has a coordinate in that position, then I think we can increase our max number of points. So I'm thinking if points x, now let's just do let y chord equal points x. This way we don't get confused. If x chord, let's do x chord first. So if x chord, we get 1. What we're looking for is if the next one exists inside the array. Oh, hold on. I think we did need these. Because we need to see if it exists inside the array. Now, I don't know if it penalizes me on looping twice, but let's see. Because I think what we want to do is get all of these first, and then I can do this. So if this is an array, so for example, if we get, what is this? So if points x is 1, we want to check if 2 is in the array. So what we want to do here is x chords dot includes current x, oh wait, no. Points x, hold on, no, that's right. Current x plus 1, because that would then be 2. So we want to see if 2 is in the array. But then we also want to check for y chords and y chords dot includes current y plus 1. If it does, then I think we can increase this. And then I think what we have to do here is also add the use case for minus. And then I think, do we just return this? Console.log expected 3. Oh, it tells me what's expected. Output 4. Case 2. 11. Expected 4. Oh, because this 11 is because 1. If I say is 2 in the array of The issue with that is 1 isn't on this linear line. But 2 is in the array. But then what we're asking for is then y chords includes y minus 1, which would be 0 in this case. So if I took this out and ran this, we get 2. Oh, for that one. But we get 5 for this one. Okay, but we're expected 4. So I think we're on to something here. I think, hold on. I'm thinking here, maybe if it's not, we subtract 1. This one's expecting 2, but we got 2, so I think here. Let's see. If I subtract 1, no, that didn't work. But we were on to something here. Because look, the output that we returned was 2. The output we returned was 5. So we're offset here by 1, which is interesting. Now for this one, I don't know why this one failed. And I believe it has something to do with this. And I think we gotta do this in an else if else statement here. We got 8. But this one was correct. So look, this one's correct now. Okay. But now that it was correct, the issue with that is 8. There's 6 points on this here. So how did we get 8? Because something here is messed up. So when it's 1, 1, does 1 plus 1, oh wait, no. But we're doing minus. But yeah, if it's 1 plus 1 is 2 in the array, the answer would be yes. But then for the y coordinates is, our first coordinate is 1, so is 2 in the array for the y coordinates? Yes, but that's not what it should be. Oh, I just thought of something. So 4 minus 3, no, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 4. Oh, well, so that's basically what we've been doing. So let me think here. Something here has to change. And I think it has to be our y coordinate here, because y coordinate, our y coordinate is 4. We want to see if 3. I mean, we could easily map this out, but that's not the way we need to do it. Damn, this is difficult. But I feel like we're close. Y coordinates, current y. Alright, maybe we should just do some console logs here. So console.log current x, console.log current y. Let's do some console logs and figure this out. So our 5 and 3, which would mean that a majority of it comes from this array then, because 1 would just check for 2, but I think if it includes it, I think we need to check for the index of it then. And then check. Okay, I think if it includes it, then I think we need to check for the index. Because let x index equal x chords index of, and then current x plus 1. And then, so that will get us that. And then if we have that, then we know our index position, so then we could check our let y value equal y chords x index if, because the way this is going to do it here is our index plus 1, wherever that is, that means we have to check our matched x coordinates. If, for example, 1, 2, 3, if 1 and 2 exist, or if 1 plus 1 for 2 exists, we need to check our y value here. So we're going to get our y coordinates here. If our current y, if alright, so this is 1. So if, let's check 1 and 4, or 4, oh, it's doing 4, wait, oh, 1 and 4 is right here, yeah, 1 and 4. If 1 exists, we want to check if 2 exists, 2 here, and 2 does exist, but then we want to check if when it does exist, does our current position minus 1 equal this one? So our current y is here. If current y minus y value here equal 1, then we can do plus 1. I believe that's how we need to do that one. Let me just run it, make sure. Okay, we passed the second case, which is backwards. Okay, but this one, our output was 3, which is okay, because that's what we want. So now, I think we want to just have this case listed here as plus 1, but we need to do this with the opposite values here. So instead of finding our x value, we want to find our y index, y chords of current y plus 1, x value of our x chords here. If our current x is minus our x value, then we do this. Oh no, now they're both wrong. Oh no, what did I do here? I don't think this is supposed to be an, oh no, that could be an else if, but this one still got 0. We need another solution here. Oh wait, no, I think these are supposed to be minus. Let me check. No, what happened here? Our current y plus 1. So our x coordinates current x, if it includes plus 1. And then our current y includes plus 1. That's fine. Then, well, technically we could just run this also inside of here. But like that, and get rid of this. No, I did not want that. So our y index is our y coordinates index of current y plus 1. So let me run this, see where we're at. So we got 0, okay. So if we get 1, we check if 2 exists, which it does. Our y coordinates is 1, index of where the current y plus 2 is. So then this would be index, I don't know what this index is. Bro, I've been on this one for like 20 minutes now. Oh my god. So yeah, our current index is 1 at the beginning. Y index is 1, which is right here. So then we want to check if our y index, plus x. Oh wait, no, not minus. We want to check if, and I don't know why. Okay. We want to check is our x value, which is 2, is our current x, which should be 1, plus 1 equals our x value. Right? No. Expected output 2. I expected 3, but we got 2. Why is that? Because when we go to, I need to know at which part it breaks at. So when we get to 2 and 3, and then when we get to 2, we don't have an x coordinates y index because we don't have a plus 1. So if there's no plus 1, then I think we include it anyways. Now, I think it can tell me completely that I'm wrong, but let's see. Expected 3, output 2, y. This shouldn't exist. We get 2 and 3. What the length? Something about this points I length equal 2, but this should return me. It should return me 3. And I think it does, because we did get it right once. It does, okay. So, for some reason... we only get 2 and 3. And 2 would be because of here, 3 because of here. Y index. So that must mean Y index. One, two, 2, 3. It just stops. So if I did log x value is 0, 1. Oh, for some reason it doesn't. What the fuck? It doesn't. Oh, because this doesn't cover all scenarios. So I think this one we gotta do an if statement down here and then throw this in there, but also check for the other use case here, which, wait a second, I don't think this even has to be in a loop. So the first one we got right. Now with the second one we got wrong again. Expected 4, output 3. Because we got this. So I think we want this to be excluded from here. Maybe. So, okay, so we know that this is partially true. Do they have like a code formatter? Like, clean up my code, please. Like, oh my god. Now they're both wrong. Interesting that we came to this conclusion here. Output 3. Okay, we got the first one right, but this one's also wrong. I think we gotta brace these into brackets here. Alright, I'm on one question. Alright, expected 4. And this had a, was it 25% acceptance rate? Shit is crazy, dog. I think this is irrelevant. But, alright, so if we pass the first one, we must be somewhere close. And we got 5, but we're expected 4, so we are close somewhere. Let me think here. So when we get... just add that for like breakpoint. Alright, so 1, 2, ooh, -1, undefined. So we're expected 2, or output 3. So if it's -1, 4 equals -1. I think this is good. Expected 4, output 5. How many times does it turn -1? How's the output different now? What? Interesting. That, what? That does not make sense to me. That does not make sense. Oh. I see. So if y index equals -1, let's do max num points plus equal 1 and then just break the for loop. But But then how is it 5 and 1? Is the array changing each time I run this? What is going on here? 1, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3. Is it 1, 3, 5, 4, 2? Wait, 1, 4. 2, 4, 1, 2. It literally said undefined, so if I check if it's undefined and equals undefined, five and 1. Now we get 5 and 1. That doesn't. Am I not allowed to? I'm confused here. Am I not allowed to break out? Because if I take this out, we get -1 and undefined, which makes no sense. But hold on, I think I noticed something here. So if look at this, 1, 2, 2, 3. This should be 3, 4. If our y-index, if our x value, I cannot type today, minus y index equals 1, then we do plus minus or expected to. Oh wait, so we passed this test case now. Oh, okay. So our console logs on this is fine, but then our console logs on this, alright, that's why I was so confused. 1, 2, 2, 3. Ah, okay. Expected 3, but our output is 2. But that means then we also have to just run this, which at this point I think at this point this whole thing becomes irrelevant, but let's just see where we go with this. What am I missing here? Another one of these. One, 2, 2, 3, -1 and undefined. So if x index equals undefined, oh wait, it's our y value actually. Now 4, 3. So okay, we keep flip-flopping here. So this is correct now. This one's still incorrect. Expected 4, we got 6 because of this, which I think maybe one of these has to be plus minus 1 like that. Now they're both wrong, which is interesting. Wow, we're like 40 minutes into this. Let me see what this is like without this array here. One, 2, 2, 3, -1, -2. So if current y, and our output was here, so if I think this has to be the other way around. Okay, so we passed the first case. And then our second case, we get 6, even though it's 4. But 4, 3, 3, 1. I think maybe we do else max num points minus equal 1. Our output is 3, expected 4, because of this, I think. No, shit. Oh wait, no, because I think then we have to have this here to cover for this. One, 3, 2, 5, 5, 1. Okay, this makes no sense. Output 1. Oh my god. This really is hard. But I felt like we're on the right track here. Maybe it's because of this. Maybe because y has to be -1 instead of +1. Let's see. What do we get instead? No, it's not it. Y index. Maybe we do this same thing here. But instead of plus current x, maybe we do that. We gotta just change these around. X index has already been declared. 2. They both failed. Alright. Clearly not this. Yeah, because current y -1. So if I run this, let's see what this is. So we pass 1. Output 2, expected 4. 0, 1, okay. Oh wait, that's gonna be this one. Oh wait. I've never really thought this would be this difficult. So we got the first case done, which, sure. The second case though, I thought this was gonna be recursive, but I think you could do this recursively. But is it, so -1, so current y1 would be 0. There is no 0, so it is -1. But our current y, we should probably just do +1, I think. I would think. But we could also do it like this, I think, because it mentioned here that we could do it like this. So this one is for 0. And then I think this we could take out. This we can take out. This one I think we could do for 1. And we can take all this out here. And then let me see how this works. Oh wait. Alright, so our output is 4. That's because of this. So when we look at our y, well, because in the image, look, our y we have 1, but then our parent x is 4 with it. So we want to look for one where its parent x is, so our y is here, current y. What we want to do here is find the y that has the one previous to it. So our current y minus 1, which would be back, if we're going backwards, 4 minus 1, but then we get an undefined, which would then mean so I don't know how this y minus 1. So this got because of this here, but there's no telling the difference otherwise. X. If we go x1, we must find a 4. Okay, I think well, okay, so there might be an absolute way to do this. Let me restart this, sort of. Because we can easily just, I think we could just do this. Current x, current y. But our next x and y wouldn't be the thing here. So if there's an index of x, oh, okay, hold on, let me think. Honestly, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just give up on this one. Let me, hold on. Let me comment this out. Let's run this. Oh yeah. Yeah, I give up. Zero out of 40 used test cases. There's multiple test cases. Reset test. Alright, I give up. I'm gonna keep it honest. Where's the discussion? 1 week of easy problems. Alright, solutions. I give up on this one. Oh wait, is this the solution to this one? What the fuck? Oh. does if they did an actual formula. Alright. Okay, that's like 1 hour for that one. Oh my god, maybe I should have be more aware of my time for this. Alright, we're in JavaScript. We could do I have all these languages here. PHP. You're given 2 non-empty linked lists representing 2 non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the 2 numbers and return the sum as a linked list. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 6. You may assume does not accept the leading. So if it equals 10, oh, okay. So 2 and 4, okay. What are my numbers looking like here? So our output is a linked list, or an array basically. So let linked list equal an empty array. Then we say wait, could these be different? Yeah, how does this work? 9 plus 9, 9. How does this work? Is this like the remainder? Because 9 plus 9 is 18, but then 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 19. But what? You're given 2 non-empty representing 2 non-negative integers. Why don't they just say positive then? The digits are stored, I think that's to throw you off. The digits are stored in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the 2 numbers and return the sum. You may assume the 2 numbers do not contain any leading zeros except the number 0 itself. So yeah, 2 and 5 is 7, 6 and that's 0, 4 and 3 is 8, but then 9 and 9. So this is where I have an issue with here. So I can do the simple array loop here for let x equals 0, x less than L1 dot length, x plus equal 1, and then we could say array linked list dot push, and then we say are these gonna be we say L1 x plus L2 fx, like that. But then we get into an issue here where one of them won't run. We didn't return this. Linked list. Output. I think we gotta do that. What is it? Explanation 80. Wait. Oh wait, 708. What are we returning? Return the sum as a linked list. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know what the fuck a linked list is. ChatGPT. Figure this out together. How in JavaScript, how do you return a linked list? We'll figure it out. It's taken a while. It doesn't even know. Yeah, fucking AI doesn't know. No, but what? There's no way this question is asking for all this though. I thought it was just asking for like an array, and I don't know why it's being so slow. Class node constructor value, this dot value equals value, this dot next equals no. It wants you to do all of this. Why? What is the point? There's no utilization. I give up on this. There's no utilization to use this in the real world. I'm not looking at that. You got me fucked up. List the node math.floor. Why it? What? This looks more of a solution that I probably would have figured out if I understood what the fuck it meant by a linked list. This looks a lot more feasible than whatever this is. Alright, let's see. I've done and I've completed nothing. Palindrome number, I'm not doing it. Regular expression, that's always the hardest thing. Threesome, hey yo. Threesome closest. Foursome, merge two sorted arrays. This might be easy. It's listed as easy. Let's see. You're given the heads of two sorted linked lists. I am, huh? Merge the two lists into one sorted list. Then the list should be made by splicing together the nodes. What? I probably could do this in PHP, but then it wants you to sort it. So but these are our test cases here, like this is our test case, like the fuck. But isn't there like let's see, alright, we could add a test case. Oh no, we got list 2. So let's do console.log. I think oh wait, it's already sorted. What am I thinking? I don't know if this is like a implementation for. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's do that, and then here let's do that. I thought sort list 1 must be decreasing. What? List 1 must be decreasing. List 2 must be non-decreasing. What the fuck? So, alright, let me just then test this. Let array equal 1, 5, 6. I thought there's a way you could just do sort. If that's not a function, then yeah. Oh wait, x X, so, yeah. So, honestly, let's just set one of the arrays here. Let array equal list1. For let x equals 0, x less than list2.length, x plus equal 1. Then we just say array dot push list2x. And then at the end we just say array dot sort return array. Can we just do this? The fuck? Did I not? But if I did, but we just saw it work. I'm so confused. Unless it's saying console.log array. Can I read property? What do you mean? Of null. I guess it teaches you about null checks also, which is so our output, nothing. Why? If I console.log this. Well, okay, hold on. If I did JSON, is it giving me a string? Like, I'm confused on what I'm doing here. Oh wait, it's gotta be list1. No, so it isn't. Oh, it's an object. But if I did of this, it's probably gonna crash, right? Oh wait. What? So then what is it? List? What the fuck is a list node? This dot value. This dot next. So if I say this dot value, I would tell you in my job at IBM, we don't do any of this shit, as far as I know. Let me get something related to what we actually do. This shit just doesn't. How X and N, that might be interesting. Implement pal x to the n, which calculates x raised to the power of n x to the power of n. Okay. 3.5 million submissions. God damn. So 2 to the power of 10. Can't we just iterate? Wait. Can't we just do 4, let x equal 0? No, let x equal n. X greater than 0. X minus equal 1. And then we, oh wait, hold on. Let's not use x. Let, and power of, because x is already defined, so it might confuse it. So then, let current value equal x. That way we aren't current value times equals current value times power of return current value. Not all you have to do. Expected to, wait, n equals 10. 2 times, wait, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You know what we could do, easily? What we could easily do is this. We could say let array equal an empty array. For let values equals 0. Values less than n. Values plus equal 1. You know what we could do? Array dot push. So x is 2, n is 10. Array dot push x here. Then for let array value equal let I equals 0. I less than array dot length I plus equal 1. And then we just do current value equals current value times array of I. I think we could just do something like this. 20. Oh, okay. Let me see. And then I think we could just do current value equals current value divided by 2. What the fuck? 2.1 output expected. And I thought I could just do it like this, because I know this one would pass, but 2.1. If we console.log. Oh, you know why? Because we can't put 2.1 values. I thought x was a whole number. Interesting. Wait, no, so, yeah, so, okay, hold on. Okay, and then we take current value maybe we just current value equals current value times array times I. So 3 current value I mean this I don't think this is the most optimal way, but it's a unique solution to what would seem to be a simple problem. Alright, so 2.1, 4.1, 9.26, but we're expected to get, wait a second, but this one we expected to get this, 1024. What happened here? Output 2048. Oh, because okay, so I see why that one messed up. But then this one, 2.1 times 2.1, which equaled 4.4. But array length is that. Alright, let me put this after here, so then I could get a better understanding of what we're doing. And then let me get, so we're gonna say console.log value multiply it by console.log end result let's see. 2, no, just look at all those ones. See this one. 2 times 2, okay. 4.4. Oh, I see. No, but this is right. This should be right. And then okay, we passed 2 of the test cases. Now, we're expected to know about -2. Ooh, you see, because n is -2, so but if n is greater than 0, let's run all of this. Else I think this stays. Expected 2. So values, a while values is less than 0. That's what I meant. Ooh, looks like we ran into an infinite loop because this gotta be plus. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Because instead of here, we got divided. Okay, 2 multiplied 2 divided by 2 equals 1. But this, we don't need to do that for. 5.5. But the thing in here is, I think this array doesn't have all the values. And he has it twice. So I do think we just gotta change that to 1. We pass all these use cases. I guess we can see if this works. 291 out of 305. I will take it. Use this use case. So 0.n equals the max integer number. Okay. What's the expected output here? The biggest step here. Then what's the expected output? But 0.001. But then this one. Oh my god, I know the. Oh, I'm trying to think what the formula is for this. I think what we could normally do here is just say for let value to equal 0, x less than n, but not x. Value 2 less than n. Value 2 plus equal 1. Then we say new x equals new x times x. I don't know why that was an array. Jesus Christ. Okay, but we passed expected 0. Expected 0. Okay. But then here, output is this. These are the same things. But 19, so if it's greater, so it looks like. But what does this say? What's the color? I want different test results. I don't. Oh yeah, we already have a negative 2. Let's say 4. Let's say 34 numerical out of range. I don't know what that one is for. Because I definitely think something like this, and then something like this, I think. Yeah, because if it's this value, if and equals this, or and wait no, greater than or equal to this, current value equals new x. I'm confused. If it this doesn't make sense, because based on this, it should have balanced out. Okay, let's see how this fares. $294 out of 305. Okay. Our x is negative 1.001. Oh my god. Our x is negative. Wasn't this negative? So this time our x is negative. Interesting. So we gotta add the use case where the x be negative. But then, should this not be the same? I'm confused. I would assume that this ran the same way. I'll put exceeded limit. Yeah, okay. You know what? I think we did pretty well on this. We did pretty well on it. I think we did enough for that one. Merge two sorted arrays. It says it's easy. I feel like we just did this one though, right? Oh yeah, this is the one that I just tried. To be honest, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Permutations? Oh shit. What happened? I thought I clicked the second page. Remove duplicates from a sorted list. This might be easy. I can do this in PHP. Let's think here. But why does it give us a list node? I don't like that. This list node shit here. Single linked, like this this single linked list stuff is like, I don't know, because I feel like we're never console.log head.next. I don't fucking know. Like, what are the odds of STD out? Like, I don't understand this. And while that's going on, I need to do something else real quick. Alright, I'm good. I just needed to check my something there. Alright, let's figure this out. 1 and 2. Expected 1 and 2. Expected 1, 2, and 3. But then 1, 1, 2, and 2. Then console.log head. Okay, so is this, but if I did this, it says undefined, but that's 1, 1, and 2, but what? But if I say next and then put a 1 next to it, we get undefined. So can I treat this as a string? Console.log head.next.split by this. Can I treat it as a string? No, I can't. I've never worked in a singly linked list, and I don't know why there's so many problems like this, you know. I would think this is an array. Value next. But next is, then how to, hold on, which, no, if I call head next, does this change anything? Maybe I need to call it again. I don't know, like, is it like going is it stepping through? No, they're all 1s, 1 and 2. Do I need to this is gonna be an infinite loop. But sure, fuck it. Let's go. Okay. Oh. So it does look like it's gonna be So this is fucking stupid. Why do we have to... What? Why does this have to be... And we have to return a list node? Can we do global arrays? If global array dot index of head dot value equals -1, then global array dot push head dot value. And we just literally just call this dot what is this? If head dot next equals null, then return global array. Why do we have to? I don't understand the point of making this recursive. One and two returned. 1 and 2. Alright, I think we're getting somewhere. Oh, I don't think we returned it right. So 1 and... What is this? Then the list is guaranteed to be sorted in ascending. Okay. Return the linked list sorted as well. Oh, maybe what we have to do is just delete it instead of. Maybe we just do that and then return head. Oh no, so we do need to else oh no, if it, yeah, wait. Yeah, okay, yeah. And then we delete head dot value. But we don't want to return it. I think we just want to return head. Oh my god. What? If index of head dot value. What? Equals -1, a equals 0, b equals -1, so we push it. Head dot next equals null. So, okay, so then if we push it, then I'm assuming that then here, console.log, then we get 2. Push into array. Literally, this is, I don't understand why this is just console logging. There's barely any debugging. I know I can add breakpoints, but there's really no point. 1 and 2. Oh wait, you know what we should do? Console log this. And then delete head value. Push into array. 1, 1, 2. Delete head value. Undefined. Do we what? Does this not work like this? Do I need to call list node and redefine this? I'm confused. Because we get 1 and 2 here. What's our other use case? We get 2, 3, and 3, but why do we get undefined? I think it's because we get delete. But I don't know how to remove out of a like singly like this doesn't. I don't singly linked list is not. They've never in school taught me this. So the fact that it's so heavily, like I majored in computer science. Never in school did they teach me singly linked list. But why is it the majority of these damn questions? That does not make sense to me. Maybe in a different language, it's some, maybe, let me try another one. Max, let's, intersection of 2 linked lists. Oh my god. Are these pure JavaScript? How am I, what's my filter here? Here, let's do an easy one. So I could feel good about myself. Alright. A SQL question, huh? Okay. What am I doing here? Write a SQL query to find the IDs of the products that are both low fat and recyclable. Return the result and so how to find the IDs of the products that are so select product underscore ID from products. Oh wait, what's the table name? What's the table name? Oh, products. Products where low fats. Low fats is equal. Yes. Is that a Y? No. And recyclable equals yes. I did something. I passed. I finally passed. Holy shit. Beats 13. What else? What did the 1% answer with? Where? What? So, what's the difference here with the runtime? I don't. Because you use parentheses, the runtime's faster? That makes no fucking sense, I'm gonna keep it real. But hey, we solved a problem today. We made a difference in the world by solving that problem. Median of 2. All right, let's go to medium. I don't even know. Oh yeah, easy. I got one. Reverse integer. Let's see. JavaScript. Number. Given assigned 32-bit integer x, return x with its digits reversed. If reversing x causes the value to go outside assigned 2-bit integer, then return 0. Okay. 1 2 3 3 2 1 negative 1 2 3 negative 3 2 1 1 2 0 0 1 2. Okay. So I feel like acceptance rate 27%. All right. What I feel like we can do here might be easy, but we will see. So let's say let is negative equal false. If x less than 0 is negative equal true. I think what we can just do here is let x string equals x dot toString for let y equals 0, y less than x string dot length y plus 1. No. We want this to be backwards. Let's say let value dot push y x string of y to that array, and then we could say let stringed value equals value dot join this console.log stringed value. And then what we have to check is for the 32-bit integer, which I think that's the but if it's 0, we gotta check here. If it's 0, we skip it. If does not equal 0, right? Or if it ends with 0, I think we skip it. Let's see. 32, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Because I think we're gonna do plus 1. No. What? Y greater than. Oh, wait. I think we gotta do -1, because, oh, wait, no. I think this will work also, but 3, 2, 1, negative. Why did this? Okay. And x string y does not equal negative, like that. If is negative, like this, return parse int stringed value. This is like such a cheating way of doing this, I think. but the only thing that I think will trip it is the 0, in which I don't think that use case, 0 equals none. So if x equals 0, expected 0. So I think we could just say if x equals 0, return 0. Okay, 109. Oh, so if there's an integer, then okay. So okay. So let's say let ignore 0 equals true. Like this. And then in here, ignore 0 would equal false. I think that's right. One, two, three, three, two. Oh, because this. What? If I know what to do. If ignore 0, continue. We have to do something with this though, with this ignore 0 here, because if this is false, then we want to if ignore 0 equals false. If ignore 0 equals false, then we push it. Once we push it though, we could, I think this will work. Aha, so hey, look, we're getting close. Expected 0, output 96322. So assume the environment does not allow you to store 64-bit integers. So a 32-bit integer, isn't there like the math.how console.log math.pow 2 to the 32, right? I think that's what that does, right? I'll put there. No, it's yeah. So if if x is greater than math.pow return 0. Output. Is it 60? The fuck? 32. Assume the environment does not allow you to store. What's weird is because that's output x. That's not a... If reversing x causes the value... Oh. So here, we have to check here. Negative. Oh, we got... Bro, we're three test cases away. Expected, 0. Oh, okay. Okay. So x equals negative, but then positive is 0. So we just have to literally check this before we add the negative, and voila. And I think we're gonna do parse int string to value. There's a way better, I'm sure there's a way better way to do this. 1 at 30. Oh my god, we're 2 test cases away. 3 actually. X equals this. Output is this. But it says given a 32-bit signed integer. So then this should be 31 then. We passed it. We passed it. Where are we in? Where are we at? Beats 28.98%. Okay, we're doing good. I am here. What's the... Yeah, let's see what the better solution is. Reverse get array includes negative. X to string split space, okay. Their code is so unformatted, it's disgusting. They used a ternary operator, get reverse array, unshifted. Math, they did the same thing, math.pow. Oh, I forgot you could do a negative, okay. Okay, I would say my answer is the same as this. I'm gonna keep it real. That's a medium one, right? Yes, sir. We on a roll now. See, you know, the practice stuff was just practice. Valid Sudoku. Oh my god, I am not ready to do this. Character board. This is a medium problem? Permutations are not fun. Premium. You got pay to do math? That's crazy. I feel like I clicked on this one before, right? Power of 2. See, this is the fun one. Given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 2. Otherwise, return false. Is power of 2. So if integer n is a power of 2, if there exists an integer x such that n equals 2 to the power of x. Okay. So isn't this... This is doing a follow-up. Could you solve it without loops or recursion? Yes, you can actually. Because I'm trying to think about this here. Because if we say 2 to the power of 2 to the x, so if we said 4 equals 2 to the power of x, we have to just, square root 4 to get 2, and then x equals 2. But I personally don't know JavaScript square root. I don't know if there's a way to do this. Oh, math.square root, okay. So if n equals 1, output equals true, explanation 2 to the 0 equals 1. So we just have to say if n equals 3, if it is the power of 2, is 0 a power of 2? I'm confused. Because 3, because you can't square root 3. So if, because square root of 3 would just equal 1. So if, no, but square root of 1, that doesn't even work. What? How many examples did they give me? 3. I need more. 6. It should be like 24 and then 8. Then let's just do console.log and let's run these. Let me see what the expected is. Because the expected true, false. False, true. 16, okay, so wait, 24 is also false? Because 8 is a power of 2. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, I see now. 2, so 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Such that we just have to check so n equals 2 to the x. If we get square root x equals 1, and then divided by 2. But 24 is also divisible by 2, so we want to but you can't square root 24. But you can square, no, you can't. You can't square root, because 2 to 8 is 2 to the power of 3. The 2 to 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4, which would be math.pal, 2 to the 4 would equal 16. So that's how we get that. But then what we need to do here is math to the square root 16 and 2, and then we would get 4, right? No, square root, no, I'm thinking of square root is not what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of, am I? I'm trying to think of this math here. Oh no, you have to do fuck, there's like some linear algebra shit. Is this like that shit where you gotta do n equals what is this? X to the power of x minus 1, some shit like that. I forget what it's called. Oh my god, I used to do this a lot in math. Power of 2. Power of 2. This feels like such an easy one. It's probably just sitting in my face like... Oh my god. Let me think here. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of... But the thing is, 8 doesn't have a square root, but 2 to the power of 3 is 8. But it's saying, could you solve it without loops? So essentially, you could... So if I add another test case, how do I did not want that. How do I add another test case? Exit non-defined. Use test case. Okay, here. If I put 12, what's this? 8. I already have 12 here. Um, 12. If I put... Okay, 32 here. I think it's gonna fail. Let me just... No, so 32, because... What is it? 2 to the power of 6, I believe. Right? No, it's 2 to the power of 5. To the power of 5. Realistically. See, you can... I'm trying to think of it without a for loop, though, because you can easily use a for loop. And I don't know. I don't know why I can't figure this one out. My brain is just like... Let me test something real quick. Let me console log this. And I think I feel like square root is the wrong thing, but let me just see. See, that's false. But that's wait, no, that's true. But that's false. Because 2 to the 3. But the issue here, I'm pretty sure 2 to the 5 is 32. 2 to the 6 is 64. But I can't, I'm trying to think what the correlation to this is. Because, okay, that's fine. That's false. That's false. That's false. This is constraints. Would get negative numbers then also. See, I could say round up, but if I round this up, it doesn't work. But rounding this up would bring me to 3, and I could just test 2 to the 3. Maybe. I could try this. If, is it math.floor? Math.square root n to the 2. Let's just say let rounded up value equals this. Let rounded down value equal math dot, oh wait, no, I did this backwards. Floor math dot square root n to 2. If math dot power of 2 to the rounded up value equals n, or rounded, or math dot pow 2 to the rounded down value equals n, return true, return false. I think we could test this, but I think it will fail. It failed all but one. I feel like... See, it passed all this, but... Damn, we passed a lot of them. How? 2 to the 8 is not 64. N is... Oh, wait, no, wait, what? Hold on. Math dot square root is 64. But... Oh, I think we had to accommodate for... But 8 is a... I know what to do. If times n oh wait, no, not times n. Times itself equals n. Return true. Oh, but maybe we do this. Oh wait, no. Modulo is 2 greater than 0, I think. I don't know if that's actually output. Expected false, output true. No, but 6, what? 6 times 6 is 36. Oh, because we returned true. Oh, what? False. Damn, they got us. Because there is no 2 to the power. Because but 2 to the power of, I'm trying to do this without for loops or recursion, which I don't know how you could do this with recursion. Why would you want to call itself unless you're, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. 36. Expected true, because, but then there is 2 to the, but there's an unknown variable that you get to figure out. But when this becomes, so 64, let's run this real quick. We get 8, but 2 to the 8 does not equal 64. But here we get 6. 2 to the, two to the 6 does not equal 36 either. Two to the 6. But then are we checking for divisibility by... If we check for divisibility by 2, we get, this would still be true. But I think you could use long division to do something like this, but it's not very optimal to do long division in a coding. Which we kind of already are, I think, with the square root. Bro, this is supposed to be easy. Oh my god, I give up. There's no fucking way, bro. Oh my god. Oh, but this uses a loop, though. Remainder 2 divided. Oh my god, this is sort of where I was going to, but this one uses recursion. Thing is, though, I had the right mindset. Oh my god. The issue here, a lot of these questions are not realistic. Excel sheet column title, what the fuck? Given an integer, return its corresponding column title as its Excel sheet. A equals 1, Z equals A equals... I feel like but 28 is AB. I don't know the fucking alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Wait, that's not a comma. Just E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, for less than 27. No, wait, no. 26. String equals alpha bet x. Oh wait, no, we don't need length. Yeah, so it's like this. And then so with this, we do need to do this. Oops. But wait, 701, no. I don't know how far it goes through it. So if x is less than no, we want to check if x divisible by 27 equals 0, then string position if string position 0 is not equal to z, then we say string let get string index equals I don't know how far they're going to go into the numbers. Equals alphabet dot get index, oh no, index of, and then we get string of 0. So now we have get string index, so then we just do let next letter equal alphabet get string index plus 1. And then string of 0 equals next letter. Like this. Else but I mean we could do this not recursively, but a loop in here. So for let y equals 0, y less than string dot length y plus equal 1. Like this. But if it does equal 0, or if it does not equal z, we just append it. But if it does, we just want to add to the string. So then we just do string plus, we do the dot notation, which adds it. Hold on. Actually, I think this should always be true. Right? I know, because we want to then do string dot notation. Is %20, so 27. So that means when it's 27, so when it's 54, it'll go through here twice. Alright, let's get this else string will equal well, we might as well start with A. If column number greater than 0, string. We might as well just do this. Oh, I know what we could do. This string dot length minus 1. That, and then we could do let current. We just literally do this same thing here, and just do this in here. And then just get next letter here. And do this here. But this is where I'm kind of misunderstanding what to do here, because I think we just want to append an A to it, right? And then return string. Oh wait, I think it's like that. Wait, input, output B. Okay. Expected A, output B. What? Oh. Output 28, A and B, but how do breakpoints work here? All right, breakpoints don't work. Nice. Oh, okay, I see. If string dot length greater than 0, else string equals A, now we get B. it goes in here once, according to this. Okay, second output here. String greater than length. If string y, which should be 0, does not equal z, string next letter current letter A. Okay, if it does not equal z, next letter see, this is not like it's so weird because this is not fun. Next letter is B. Okay. String Y. Maybe because of that, but then Y equals that, but I don't. What the fuck happened? You have to pay for it to speed up? Bruh. What are we doing with our lives? I ran into an infinite loop. You know why? I think that's why. No, I don't think we don't need a breakpoint here. Okay. A B B B B B B B B B. Let me check something real quick. At what point is X showing up here? 27:54. Okay, okay. So from what it looks like that but if string the y, which should be A, right? Because oh, okay, okay. So if it does not equal y, what we want to do is set it back to 0, I think. No, no. Because string y, y value is people do this for fun, like y is always 0. Okay. But I think this is because of this, where as wait, what did I just take out? That actually does not matter. A and B, next step. keep accidentally hitting Control S. Current string is A. Well, that's not right. You see this? That means this is not working here. Value A. But, okay. But even though it does that, string index of A, alpha next letter. Value letter is B. Okay. So if it's B, why are we not reassigning it? Like, hello? Log here, A. But now we're getting somewhere. A, B, C, D. Current string is ZA. Okay. Next letter is undefined. So we are doing something here. Next letter is undefined, which if current letter is Z, current string is ZA, but next letter is because current letter is string Y was Z, and then our current letter for next letter was A, and our current string was this, ZA. You know what? I give up. I think we were close enough. Who knows? I'm gonna end the stream there. It was fun. A lot of these questions are very unrealistic. I'm gonna keep it real.